Hello everyone, and welcome back. Got all my ladders loaded up. We got a big window job this week. I'm leaving the farmhouse and heading down to the camper. I went over to my site and dropped off my ladders, my trailer. Now I got to pick up the camper. I got everything set up, the water hooked up, the sewer, got the hot water heater on. I'm just going to have some leftovers for lunch. Well, this afternoon I had to do all my billing invoices because it's the end of the month. And now I took a shower, and now I'm finally getting to editing videos. I've got 2 to edit. The one I'm doing now is the camper comments and questions answered, and then after that I've got this week's farmhouse video. The reflector stuff for the windows did come in. I might cut a couple pieces. I'm just going to cut them so it just goes, you know, I'm not going to cut them rounded in the corners or nothing, just something to go over these windows, mainly these 2, and then probably this one right here, because that's where the sun beats in the afternoon. It's not going to be super hot tomorrow, but the following day is supposed to get up to 90, so then we definitely want to have those covered and see if it helps. I've been watching the neighbor people that are in the bus over there. They've been painting. I don't know, they got painting sitting out in the yard or in the grass out there. You can see them out there through my dirty window. They must have had a sticker on here. I need to bring one of those scrapers and pull that off. It's nice and cool tonight, so everybody seems to have a fire going. Right now it's down to 55 degrees. I think it's supposed to get down to around 48 or 45 or something. Maybe I'll do some more of these comments and question type video in the future. Good morning, everybody. Time to go set some windows. Well, I'm just leaving work. It's 10 minutes after 3.
Turn left onto Powers Boulevard.
I have to meet my ex-wife at the bank, take care of a couple of things, and then I'm going up to the hobby farmhouse to pick up the accumulated mail that hasn't switched over to the new address.
Continue on Powers Boulevard for 1 mile.
And from there I'll head up to the camper. $5:39. I'm back to the camper. Well, I got back here and did a few comments on my last video, and I didn't get through all those yet. And then I decided to start a fire in the little fire ring out there. And Melissa has these pre-made hamburgers, and she'll have bags like this in the freezer, and I grabbed one. It has 4 burgers in it, so I'm going to cook these up. I'll have something to eat for dinner tonight and dinner tomorrow, and I don't know if I'll... Probably not going to grab one in my lunch. When I go to work, I just have a dry bread lunch meat sandwich. It's really boring, but that's usually what it ends up being. I was going to start editing the next farmhouse video, but apparently all those clips are still on the SD card in the camera. So I guess I need the camera. Looks delicious. Smells really good. Good morning, everybody. Time to head back to work. Today's high is 90 degrees. Another day of putting in windows is finished. I put more bubble wrap on the windows on the sunny side of the camper before I left this morning. And the air conditioner's on, so let's see. It's warm out, so let's see what it's like in the camper. It's only 71 degrees in here. That's much better than it was before I put that up. Well, tonight I ran down and put 2 traps out, one in the river and one kind of on a part that comes out from the river. And then I've just been doing, I had to do another work billing invoice, and then I have some jobs that I have to bid. So that's all I've been doing. Right now it's 10 minutes to 9, so I'm going to jump in the shower pretty quick, and I want to be in bed by, I don't know, 10 or 10:15 or so. It'll be another hot one tomorrow, so, but I think we'll get most of those windows done tomorrow. And then I'll go up to the farmhouse. I'll work tomorrow, which is Thursday. I'll go up to the farmhouse on Friday morning, and then the guys can stay and finish I think there'll be like 2 doors probably left to do. So yeah, it's just been kind of a busy work type evening again, like it was last night. Good morning, everybody. One more day of my work week. 75 degrees right now and very humid. There was actually, 1:30 in the morning I woke up and there was one line of storms that went through that dropped a little bit of water. And I didn't have the air conditioner on in the camper because it wasn't bad when I went to bed, but I was hot then, so I turned it on, and now I have it on 75 and all my bubble wrap's up. It's time to head to work. I'm starting to miss the pandemic. For one whole year I could drive to work and there would be no traffic. No traffic jams anyway. I'm gonna hook up to the camper tonight, and tomorrow morning I'm gonna be out of here by 8 o'clock. I'm not sure if you can see that, but it says 83.2 outside. Sun is beating on that other side, you know, the sunny side of the camper, and it's 68.3 in here. Well, I'm going to run down and check the crayfish traps and pull those. Then I'm going to get back here and I'll get things cleaned up and get the trailer hooked up to my truck and ready for tomorrow morning's early departure. That group of people there seem to have a nice setup, a whole bunch of them with campers and canopies, and probably going to have a fun weekend. Well, I'm going to take a shower. I'm absolutely filthy after work today. One of the windows I had to do, I had to cut it into the concrete, and you're using the little cutter, and all that dust, I was covered. I took the hose and was hosing my arms off. I was a mess. My hair feels like it's super coarse right now. It's weird with the camper door. Now I have the camper hooked up to the truck, so it's not perfectly level, and you have to really pull it to get it to latch, which happened like the first week I had it here, and then I try to make it really level, and when I do, it just clicks shut. Same thing with the bathroom door. You wouldn't think, like with the fifth wheel, if it's not completely level, I mean, that's a much bigger piece of equipment and probably built stronger. It works no matter what. But in this camper, if it's not perfectly level, everything doesn't work perfect. Now I'm going to try to get some time editing the farmhouse video, because I'm going to be filming a new one tomorrow, and I'm not even a quarter of the way done with this one. I've been here all week. Okay everyone, well thanks a lot for watching. It's about 10 minutes after 10. I'm going to go to bed. I want to get an early start tomorrow and head to the farmhouse. I will see you guys on the next video.